So I have made the batter using the very well ripe banana, grated coconut, green chilies, cilantro, ginger, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and cream of wheat.
Hello.
So mash it all very well and make a thick batter like this. You know, it should not be very watery or should not be too thick. And then when you are making it, only add enough of the cream of wheat that can hold the banana. Okay, depending on the size of the banana, you keep adding the cream of wheat. Don't add extra water. Don't make it too dry. So once this is hot, the plate is hot, dip your hand in. And then keep spreading it, make it even. So and then add, if you want to make it big, add extra dough. Okay, and then take a little more here. And then make one more small. And if you like ginger, you can either grate it, but if you like to bite ginger, you can make a small pieces of ginger so that every bite you'll get a little bit of ginger. But if you don't like the bite of the ginger, then grate the ginger fine and then add it. I'm going to add one more small one so that I can save some time. This way, instead of making one pancake at a time, I can make more. The shape might not be round, but why not, right? It's oval.
Can you change the spices? And if so, what else would you recommend?
Oh, you can make this one with onion. The taste is totally different. And then you can add fenugreek leaves. You can add cucumber. That comes out very tasty too. Cucumber or the onion. Then you don't mix onion and banana and cucumbers all together. You just make only onion one. But you make sure that if you're not adding cilantro, you add the dill. And if you are, if you want a little bitter flavor, then add the fenugreek leaves, finely chopped. So today I have cilantro and chilies and ginger.
Sounds good.
Sounds good, right?
Can't wait to try it.
And then once it is done, you flip it. Add a little bit of oil to it. That's all. Okay. That's it. You can.
Oh.